These are a few of the exponential tricks that you should know. So example number one, negative 2 raised to the second power. What is that equal to? So this one, we can, this one, it just means that negative 1 times 2 raised to the second power, 2 squared. Or we can rewrite that negative 1 times 2 times 2, which equal to negative 4. Okay? How about the second one? So now the negative 2 is in the bracket and raised to the second power. What is that equal to? So this is just mean that negative 2 times negative 2, which equal to 4. Okay. How about the third one? You have negative 2 raised to the negative 2. So what is that equal to? Now this one we can rewrite this as, so to get rid of the negative exponent, we can rewrite this as 1 over, so negative 1 over 2 squared. Okay? And then just equal to negative will be 2 times 2 will be, so that's equal to negative 1 over 4. Okay? How about this one? So now the negative 2 is in the bracket and raised to the negative 2. What is that equal to? So this one, so in order to get rid of this do the same thing like the top. In order to get rid of the negative exponent, we can rewrite that as 1 over negative 2 inside the bracket raised to the second power, which is equal to 1 over negative 2 times negative 2, or 1 over 4. Okay. How about this one? 2 raised to the 0 power. So anytime you have a number except 0 that raised to 0 power is always equal to 1. So except 0, you cannot. If you have a 0 raised to 0, that's not. There's no answer for that. So any number except 0 raised to the 0 power just equal to 1. Okay. How about this one? Negative 2 raised to 0 power. So this one is just, you can rewrite this as negative 1, okay, times 2 raised to 0 power, which is equal to negative 1. So 2 to raise to 0 power, which is equal to 1, so it would be negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 is 1. How about this one? Negative 2 raised to 0 power. So it's the same thing right here. So anytime you have a number except 0 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. So this equal to 1. How about this one? Negative 4 raised to the 1/2. Now we can rewrite this as the square root of negative 4. So the square root of negative 4 is not a real number. So now we're dealing with imaginary number now. Now we can rewrite this as the square root of, you see, 1, negative 1 times 4. And we can break it up. You say negative, the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 4. Okay? So the square root of negative 1 is just imaginary number. So they let small I just equal to the square root of negative 1. Okay, so now we can say that, so we can break, so the square root of 4 is a perfect square, would be 2, and the square root of negative 1 is just I, so that would equal to 2I. Okay, so that's just a few tricks, exponential tricks that you should learn. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.